Hello everyone, welcome back to another installation video. And in today's video we have this 2021 Hyundai Palisade, and we're going to do the tint installation for the headlights here for this vehicle. So this is how it looks before the installation, and this is how it will look after installing the tints on the vehicle. The tint will protect the vehicle from any small scratches or any road debris that might hit the lens. And if you guys like the product, link for the product will be down in the description below. But with that being said, let's get started with the installation video. So before starting the installation, we want to make sure we clean the lens from any contaminants that it might have. So just apply your slip solution. And then we're just going to clean it off. Make sure there's no dirt or any contamination on the lens. So for this installation, you want to apply slip solution on the lens and on the tint. And now we're just going to place the film on the lens. And the first thing to do is making sure we align it to this corner first. So once we have it in position and it's aligned on the bottom here, then we can tack it down. So to tack it down, we're going to use tack solution. So just lift the film, apply tack solution underneath the film and on top. That way we're able to squeegee and tack down the film. And then make sure while you're tacking down, everything is aligned. And then just finish off tacking down this piece here. And for this side right here, all you need to do is just stretch just a little bit, because it doesn't need much stretching. All we're going to do is apply tack solution underneath. That way the adhesive starts activating. And just pull the film up to where it reaches the edge here on the lens. And then hold it down and start tacking it down. And you continue tacking down the rest of the film. Now this piece here, all we need to do is apply tack solution and just seal it off with heat. That way the rest of the remaining film tacks down. So tack solution underneath, and then just start applying heat. So with this one, it is going to be a little tricky because it does have a curve going inside of the bumper. So with this one, we're going to take our time when it comes to tacking down any of the fingers here. We're going to start off with applying the film on this end and then stretching it to remove all the fingers that come up. So apply your slip solution on the lens and slip solution onto the tint. For now, just place it down. Now, the first thing we want to do is make sure we align this side first. So meet it up to the edge. Once we have it to the edge here, we're going to apply tack solution. That way we're able to squeegee the film in place. So just start tacking down, making sure we secure this position of the film and it's not going to move. Now that we secured this piece here, we're going to apply heat just to make sure it stays secure when we're installing the rest of the film. So once this side is secured, now we're able to move on with the rest of the film. So to remove these fingers, we're going to need to stretch the film inside here to this curve. So just lift the film. Because it is such a small area to work with, you're going to need to apply tack solution right away. That way the adhesive starts tacking down. So apply tack solution and stretch to remove these two big fingers. So stretch going that way. And the film can tuck in inside here. And once it's stretched, you can start tacking down. So let's tack down one piece and tack down the bottom. And you just keep working your way until you remove the fingers. So keep stretching. And it's just easier to just break down all the fingers. So as you can see, we remove all of the big fingers that we had, and then just keep squeegeeing at an angle to remove all of the fingers. Now the last thing to do once we secured the whole film is just applying tack solution all around once again, and then just sealing everything with heat. also apply tack solution, heat all around the edges, and seal everything. Okay, so that concludes the installation video for the headlight tints for the 2021 Hyundai Palisade. We hope that this video helps you guys out with the installation. If you guys do have any questions, feel free to message us and we'll be glad to help you guys out. Don't forget to like the video, subscribe, and don't forget to turn on the notification button. That way you don't miss any upcoming installation videos. Thank you guys for watching, and we'll see you guys on the next video.